Welcome, my second grade warriors. This is Mr. Schaefer getting you ready and pumped up for your spelling test. All right, so we've got our spelling test today over My Name is Gabriela, and our words are coming from that story. And remember, this week our discussions have been on the Y at the end of the word, which says E. Okay, so just so we remember that, we're working on the Y at the end of a word that says E. Alright, our spelling test is going to look a little different this week due to the fact that we're trying to save a little bit of time for myself, and we're gonna do it all in one video here. So that means after you listen to a word, you're gonna need to hit pause so you can write the word, and then hit play again as you keep going through your slides to get all your words down. Okay, and if you accidentally forget to hit pause, no big deal. All you have to do is restart the video and go back to where you left off. Alright, and you're going to do that for all 12 words. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Your first word is happy. These children look very happy. Happy. Number 2, pretty. What a pretty girl. Pretty. Number 3, very. This is very confusing. Very. Number 4, puppy. What a cute puppy. Puppy. Number 5, baby. The baby is hiking up his diaper. Baby. Number 6, lucky. A 4-leaf clover is supposed to be a symbol for being lucky. Lucky. Number 7, carry. This box this man is trying to carry looks very heavy. Carry. Number 8, funny. Wouldn't it be funny if I wore this to school? Funny. Number 9, city. Some people live in a big city, and some people live in a small town. City. Number 10, penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. Penny. Number 11, only. There is only 1 bag of M&Ms left. Only. And your 12th and final word is sunny. I love a nice, warm, sunny day. Sunny. Okay, guys, that's the end of your spelling test over My Name is Gabriela. Make sure your name is at the top. And you guys have a great rest of your day.